they clubbing, they chilling, they.
This time I'm ready to compromise.
Good. But I don't like this.
Why? It's good, and besides it's very sensitive.
I like this.
Look, I prefer to use this one. It is either we use this or we forget about it.
Then let's forget it. Because I don't use anybody's condom. Apart from mine.
Tina. Once again, this girl has gotten herself out of the net. But I am not going to give up. I know I will finally succeed. But you must beware, because you might be my next victim.
What the hell are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my teeth.
Come on. Cleaning your teeth? Huh? Do you want to spread your AIDS virus all over the place? Huh? Come on. I don't want to see you do this again. If you want to, do you want to spread your AIDS virus all over the place? If you want to clean your teeth, huh? Do it in the gutter so that to be washed away. Huh? But come on, stop! Stop it! Look, when I see you do this again, that will be the last of you in this house. That will be your last in this house. Nonsense! You want to spread your virus all over the place? Make sure you clean this thing and put some disinfectant on it. See ya.
It's okay. I have witnessed everything for myself. So just take it easy and follow me. Do you hear me? Let's go.
Wait. Let me have my bath first.
Papa, why?
I don't want you to contaminate the bathroom. That's why. By the way, have you bought the disinfectant I asked you to buy yesterday? I'm asking a question. Have you?
Papa, I think you are going too far.
Hey, stop there. Stop right there. They say prevention is better than cure. So, let me have my bath first.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware, beware, oh, beware.
Girls.
Madam.
I saw everything that went on yesterday. And it looks as if we need to adapt a new strategy.
Madam. What strategy? Which kind of strategy again? Has it been like so? We have tried everything. I mean everything possible. But nothing seems to be working for us.
Don't you worry. We've got to be more aggressive. Hey. We are going to the joint. It looks as if all the men are looking at that direction.
Madam, won't they complain?
Complain? Did you say complain? Who cares? Tomorrow we are going there very early. By the time they come, we will be at the joint, and none of you is moving an inch.
Shalom. Whose clothes are there hanging on the line?
No, I think they are for Pastor Philip.
Pastor Philip's clothes? Come on, quick. Get me my gloves and the disinfectant I asked you to buy yesterday. Come on, get me this and stop asking me. Get away. Be quick. Now what for? I see a summer. You saw him, hanging the things there?
Yes.
Yes. You are sure?
Yes.
All right. This man wants to see red. He will see it. Okay. Yes. That's good. Yeah. Go. And this one?
What is the meaning of what?
You don't know that this place be our joint where you come search waiting.
You think you always come here early and that you can claim ownership? It's a lie. Waiting.
Hey! If you see where you push.
Helena, you don't have to fight over this. If it is our destiny to get customers, they cannot stop them from coming to us. Let them take over that joint. We will be here. Don't worry.
I will show you, sir. Helena. Let's teach them a lesson. Look at them all. Nothing girls.
Fantastic. You girls are fantastic. You girls, I pity you. Don't worry. Take a good look at me. That black beauty. Black beauty. With a little meat. I pity you girls. Yeah. It's okay to have this place.
Mr. Mensah. We came to see you, but we were told you'd gone out.
Yes, I went to see a friend. Welcome.
Yeah.
Excuse me,
Okay.
Any baby, I'm free. Obia Huye. That was it. Mammy at the same. Yo, any inquiry. Miss Owusu, you see what your son Philip has gotten himself into?
Mr. Mensah, Philip has disgraced the whole family. A man of God. I don't even know what to tell him.
Well, I am happy you are here. And I'll be happier still if you take him along with you to the village.
Yura, what's the infant cross?
Aye.
Madam, I am like a crack. It's me, Yanaha. By all Miss Yadinabako. Ye queer chiapa. If I be fanako. Grass, Madam,
you, Matty, but you see, you have to hurry because I've already collected an advance for the room. And the room has to be vacant by next month. What in a major? Aye, will be my biscuit. Until Pacho, Muyaha, Kakawai.
Don't worry, we'll do that.
I'm free Hankawai. Yo, and yet, Yetobia.
Thank you.
Bye bye, you. You read that someone you know and free should get rid of me. Why? Head off at this thing.
Girls! Madam. We are going to celebrate our victory over these bitches.
Oh, yes!
These girls have been a thorn in our flesh.
Yes,
of course.
Okay. Hey.
And we are going to deal with them.
Oh yeah.
Very well. Very well, madam.
Check you, sir.
Be that now. Oh yeah. Come on.
Hi, man. I need to
Mine for me one. Now look at this.
Cheers, come on, cheers.
Cheers.
Come on. That's
Cheers. Mine for me one, madam.
cheers. Come on, let's enjoy now. Waiting.
Please. I said I'm sorry.
Don't. Tina. He says he's sorry. I accept his apology.
Casey, please get up.
Get up. Vamos.
Vamos.
Look, Tina, I've accepted all the conditions you set for me. Please.
I need 2 million cedis cash, a bottle of wine, and an exotic lunch to go with.
That is no problem. $400. Here. To take care of all the demand you made.
Not the lunch.
No problem. I'll still take care of that.
Hey! I didn't ask you to get up.
Oh, after all the fun.
Oh, yes. You're not kneeling. Thank you.
Can I?
Yes, you may. Casey, please. Just come and sit now, okay? Okay. Okay. I'll talk to her, okay? Everything will be alright.
Thanks. Will you go home with me tonight?
Tonight.
I was talking to Tina.
Yes. Tina.
I'll think about it.
Oh, it will be fine, okay? Casey.
I'm coming to say goodbye to you. I'm leaving.
Oh, good. But where are your things?
They are already in a taxi waiting for me.
Ah, good. And the key, okay, put it here.
It's your...
Put the key here!
Okay. Goodbye, Papa.
All right, goodbye. I'll pray for you. Eh?
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so beware.
Bravo yen to boasie. Tide wo ye bia no nya botre. Kokosa jifa wodi me panyin che. Ade wo hu be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bibia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye ye de se wo jina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo hu ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today